In this video, I'll show you how to add an erasing electric text animation that wipes your text away with a powerful electric style motion. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that suits this effect. Bold or clean fonts work best, so the electric wipe is clearly visible. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Electric Wiper. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text being erased with a sharp electric motion. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need to add any extra effects. To control the speed of the erase, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, dramatic electric wipe, or drag it to the right for a fast and punchy erase. Preview the animation and adjust the timing to match the energy of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added an erasing electric text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.